fucking recording and the GoPro's frozen again. Stuck at 302. Just stopped. I mean, I just want you to work. I just want you to fucking work, you piece of shit. Just fucking do your job and record the videos that I'm making, please. You fucking piece of shit, GoPro. You're gonna make me hold this button down. Hold it down like an asshole. Is 5 seconds gonna do it? Nope. Gotta do 10 seconds. Here we go again. Fucking losing my footage so many times, GoPro. Alright, now it's reset. Now we can turn it back on and see what she says. It's like everything's fine. Doesn't even remember forgetting my video and losing the footage. Fucking asshole. I'm shipping this back to you on Monday, GoPro. And if you can't make a fucking Mini 11 that works, I'm gonna want a full refund. I'm tired of this bullshit.